We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment 403. Let's go on in. We'll enter through the kitchen, which is on our right side. You can see the refrigerator, there's a microwave, the sink, there's a stove and oven. We've got cabinets and drawers and some counter space. Let's go on into the main part of the apartment. You can see the desk and chair over on our right, the full-size bed, there's a dining table and chair, dresser, and a bookshelf. Let's go look out the window. You can see the window air conditioner over here. So we're facing to the east. We're over the entrance or walkway of Collegetown Court from here, but you can see other Collegetown houses, and over there you can see Dryden Road, and you can see a piece of the Brazano Family Center over here to the corner. That's across the street from us on Dryden Road. And let's take a look around. As we've come through the apartment, let's take a look at the closet. I think this one has a good closet space over here. So closet over here. This one is definitely a popular layout here in Collegetown Court. We have the same model apartment on the second, third, fourth, and fifth floors of this 5-floor building. We're here in floor number 4 right now. The only difference is what you'll see out the window. Let's go on into the bathroom. You can see the tub shower over on our right. There's the vanity, and there's a toilet as well. There it is. And I think that's a nice sized bathroom. So that's a look at Collegetown Court 403. We're in a studio apartment here in this building. We're located at 208 Dryden Road. We're just steps up from the main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road here in central Collegetown at Collegetown Court.